I repeat for emphasis, you were put on this earth to achieve your greatest self, to live out your purpose, and to do it fearlessly. So the question is, do you believe these words? Do you believe that you were put on this earth to achieve your greatest self? If you don't, why not? Why don't you believe it? See, Mahatma Gandhi eloquently and appropriately said, as humans, our greatness is not so much in being able to remake the world as in being able to remake ourselves. So on this brief talk, my ultimate goal is to remind, to reinforce or reveal that you do have greatness within you.